Kerteng Eastern West Khasils District, kadai kabala dasyong perkhat bunsin, kamdai kabashurai shisin syong. Bat kadai kabala shimru nakakerteng jong ka distrik kami, kata ka West Khasils District. Kumta sangi ano kaya heknia. Henry, ya kerano ikikam benpenroy hakani ka distrik. Ya kane lapan pau do menteri rangba ka jela, ukon rat sangma, haba keren haka jingalang plie, ya ke Eastern West Khasils District, menta kasngi, haka jingalang kaba ipu iping bah, hapadeng upai ba belin, ubalapoy diki hajar ngut. Ubak med ba lengdo MLA Mairang, ulong baka jingyo ke distrik, kamde ka jingla, tang ka jung u ba jong ba broading, ubre UMLA ka mau tharasyan, henry ka de ka jing trilang jong baro, nadu ki sorasnong, ki hima, ki seng bhalang, bat kini welam ki banadu mensyua hadu menta. Ubak broading nong sej ulong, bahadin bo job yang kum UMLA haus nem arja pra, ulalum lang ki sorasnong, ka mau tharasyan konstituensi, banyak keren yang kena jing ketiu kerdan, ya ka Mairang Civil Subdivision, Syaka District.
A very happy heart that I have to tell you that West Khasils District has been at the bottom for a very long time. And this has happened because of the fact that the development agendas and programs and schemes have not reached down to the grassroots. The delivery mechanism has not been able to deliver for whatever reason. I'm not here to debate that. But has not been able to deliver the development programs to the grassroots. And hence, it required an administrative intervention to ensure that we bring administration closer to the people. And that is by creating a new district. If you look at the different parameters that are there, just a simple example I'll give you of infrastructure. That in the whole of Eastern West Khasi Hills, there is only one police station. There is only one outpost in this huge 1,300 square kilometers of area. There is only one police station and only one outpost. That is the presence of the administration in this area. And that is why the need to improve the administrative reach, the need to ensure that we bring administration closer to the people was more so in West Khasi Hills than in most other regions of our state. This new district and be able to fulfill the aspirations of the people of this region. While saying that, I also want to tell the people of our state that this NDA government has always kept the people's issue as its top priority. Whenever there have been concerns that have been raised by the people of our state, whichever issue that has come up, not just during our term, but even before that, this MDA government has done its level best to address those concerns and issues, to take the step forward in trying to find a resolution to those issues. We have been a public-oriented and a public-centric and a government which is for the people of our state.
Minister, it's my privilege to welcome you and to thank you also at the same time for accepting the invitation on my behalf, on behalf of the MLA of the Maukad Raishat constituency, and on behalf of the people of the Mairang Civil Subdivision, to be with us here in this gathering. a special day for each and every one of us. Thank you very much, Mr. Chief Minister, for your kindness and for your warm support to us, the people of the Mairang Civil Subdivision.
Of the government of Mairang, our respected Speaker Sir, who is also a local MLA of Mairang constituency, Madam Chief Secretary and other officers present here on the dais. I thank each and every one of you for your presence for the inaugurance of the Eastern West Kashmir District. I also thank the Deputy Commissioner of West Kashmir District, the Sub-Divisional Officer of Civil Subdivision Mairang, the other officer and all the participants in the program today who has worked tirelessly to make this occasion grand ones.